Hello, I'm Hamp Tanner with FireSense and I want to make a quick video showing you how to replace some of the parts in our new Pro Series patio heater, our item number 61159, best patio heater on the market. Here we go. Alright, now to show you how to replace the igniter module with the electronic ignition, it's very simple. For the first time, we don't actually need to access the panel on the back. We're going to take these four screws out here and these two screws here. If, like me, you're fortunate enough to have a nut driver handy, it'll be quicker. If not, just use a wrench. Okay, these two. This is going to slide out. This part, you just unscrew. Battery comes off, and then unscrew this part as well. When you've done that, inside there's one wire that connects to this. Here it is. Okay? Disconnect that wire. Take the new one, connect the wire. There's only one connector in here. The other three corners have no connector, so it's obvious where it goes. Make sure it's connected nice and snug. That's it. And then slide it down in where the connected side is going farthest in. Back through here. Take this single piece, hand tighten it. Take this part, don't forget your battery. The positive end of the battery goes in there. This one. That tightens up. Test it, you should hear it. You should hear it popping. Now you know the igniter works. Put this part back. When you put this back on, you want to make sure that this collar goes on the outside of the little ends of this part for good looks. Back to my power drill. Now your burner unit for the Pro Series patio heater is back in action.